Ashley here with My Little Garden Patch. Today I'm going to show you how you can cut down on weeding by using cardboard boxes. In the last video, we weeded a small patch in an overgrown flower bed that I have, and we were prepping it to do the cardboard box trick. So the plan is to lay the cardboard boxes, lay some mulch over the top, and it will significantly cut down on weeds. So let's get started.
Gather all your cardboard boxes, and you want to make sure you take off all the labels and all packing tape. Then you want to find a seam and you're going to pull apart. And you're going to repeat this over and over and over and over and over and over until you're done. Boom! Okay, now that we got all of our cardboard boxes broken down, we're going to figure out how we want to lay them. I saw a few weeds that I left, so that's what I'm doing here is pulling them out. And now we're starting to lay. You want to make sure you're overlapping the best you can, because anywhere there's a crack in those flaps, there's a chance weeds can grow in there. That's why you see me trying to overlap and kind of weave them together. Now we're just straightening up the border so we have something that can hold the mulch. And this is what it looks like after we're done laying all the boxes and how they're kind of weaved together. Also, remember to leave plenty of space around plants that you already have in the ground so they have room to grow. Now let's get some mulch. This little tool is the best thing ever. It is a bedding fork. I got mine at Tractor Supply, and it just scoops up the mulch no problem, and you're good to go. Now that we've filled our wheelbarrow full of mulch, we're ready to get started. So let's get going. So what we're going to do is just start throwing it down. When you're placing the mulch, you want to make sure that you don't get the mulch up underneath any of those flaps, because we want everything to stay as flat as possible so no weeds can start growing up underneath. This area of the flower bed is on a little bit of a hill. So earlier you saw me rearranging the rocks, so those are going to serve as my placeholder for the mulch. A little later in this video, you're going to get to see an area that I completed on the other side of this garden that I'm working on. I completed about 4 months ago, and I haven't had any weeds pop up since. By adding cardboard to your flower garden, it's going to boost the nutrients levels once the cardboard starts decomposing. Not to mention, worms love decomposing cardboard, and your soil and your plants love worm castings. So it's basically like you're getting some free fertilizer. A few more shovels and I'm done. It was such a hot day for me to do this, but I wanted to get it done and show you guys what you can do with some cardboard box recycling. After all the mulch is laid, I like to wet everything really good, get it all the way down to the cardboard so it can aid in helping the decomposition process. Now that I'm finished, let's take a walk around. I'm going to show you the area that I did about 4 months ago, and I literally have not had to pull any weeds out of here, which I'm shocked by. I definitely am going to be doing this anytime I create another flower garden. In the patches you see no plants in, I do plan on putting something there in one of my next videos. You will be the first to know what plants I pick and where I get them.
Thanks for watching. Thank goodness we're done because it's like 90 degrees out here and I am sweating. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on gardening, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Quick scavenger hunt. Who can tell me what crawled out from underneath the hydrangea bush we just passed not that long ago? Tell me in the comments.